Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shritama here. So if you're new here to my channel, welcome, and please do subscribe to my channel if you find my content entertaining. And so for today's video, I have a few collectibles which I had collected over the past month. I did a Nika Republic Day sale, and there was also sale in Cuffs and Lashes and Amazon. So I picked up a few stuff. So I'm going to share my haul with you all. So for that, let's get into the haul right away. So I'm going to first pick out the stuff I took I purchased from Nika. So the first thing I got is so I shopped twice. I'll tell you why later in the video when I take out the products, that why I shopped twice. So on my first order, I ordered this Fit Me powder. This is around 6.95, but during the sale, I think it costed me around 556, yeah, 556 rupees, yeah. And I've heard a lot about this product, hence I thought of picking it up and giving it a try. So I will definitely use this and let you all know on my thoughts on this product. So let's move on to the next product. So I had my eyes on this product, which is this blush. Lately I have been using a lot of blush on me. Also I have shopped quite a lot because there is a wedding that I want. There are few weddings that we have to attend, me and my husband. So hence I picked up few stuff for that as well. But I had my eyes on this blush, which is the Nika Blush Duo Get Cheeky Blush. This is in the shade Malibu Barbie. However, there was no offer going on this particular blush. There was an offer going on the other two, other two. So I wanted to pick up this one because I found the colors really nice. So I'll just open it and show you. This costed around 6.99 and there was no offer on it. So this is the color. There is a coral and there is a peachy pink color. I'll just show you the swatches. So yeah, that's the swatch right over there. I'll just show you. Very nice light pink color and a very nice coral color, as you can see, and it's going to look very nice on all skin types. So yeah, so moving on to the next product, I also got myself restocked on my Fit Me foundation. So I'm in the shade warm nude 128, and this costed me around 412. Yes, there was offer going on these as well. So I restocked on my favorite. This is what I gravitate towards all the time because it's the most natural finish and it gives you a beautiful dewy finish. So yeah, I restocked on that. Next up, I got two eyelashes from Nika because like I said that I had a wedding to attend, so I never use falsies, but then I thought of just experimenting and getting into it. So these were on offer, so these two costed me around 169, and they have a glue inside which I found really nice, and the packaging is definitely lovely. So if you can see, there is a glue inside. So I will definitely review all of these and let you guys know. Next up, I got few concealers for myself. So first one I got is is the L'Oreal Infallible full wear concealer. So this is 7.99 originally, but then on an offer I got it for 5.99. I have used it once because I went out with my friend, and I found it a little drying, but then one day wear is not enough to do justice to this. So I will definitely do another review of this product. I've heard a lot that this is a dupe of the Tarte Shape Tape, hence I bought it for myself. So I'll definitely let you guys know with another wear of this. Another concealer that I got was the LA Girl Pure Beige concealer. This is $5.95, but on an offer I got it for $4.20 or $4.50. Got it for $4.50. So this I really liked. I actually wore this at home, and I gave it a go. But then this one I like better than that one because this is not drying. It does its job. However, I will definitely let you guys know about this foundation in my future videos. So the next thing I have purchased is eyelash curler. So this is from Color Bar. The original MRP is $5.25. However, I got it for 420 rupees. The next few things I got is this mask. These 3 masks from Enamour. These were not on offer, but I required masks, hence I got them. And this is in the variant medium, and this is like that. So this is one, and you can reverse them and wear them. That's the most beautiful part. And these are quite snug. It fits quite snug. I mean, usually what happens is either because I have a small face, the mask slips down my nose, but these are quite snug, as you can see. So these are quite snug, hence I purchased these, and I'm very happy in buying these. This is a beautiful floral one, and when you reverse it is a navy blue one. This is a beautiful polka dotted one, and when you reverse this one, it's a red face mask. I also bought 2 disposable masks from Nykaa. These were also on offer. So both these are packs of 5. Both these costed me around 2 costed me 60 rupees. And what I do with these, I keep it in my bag, every bag I carry, because I forget carrying my masks. And what happens is, in the middle of the road I remember, oh, I have to wear a mask. So these come in really handy if you put if I have started with the habit that I put it in every handbag of mine. These are the 2 masks that I got for 60 rupees. So the next thing that I got is an eyeshadow palette from Nika K. It's the birthday suit palette. It's a very colorful palette. I wanted to just be adventurous and try out this palette. So it's got lovely colors, and the color payoff is really nice, guys, if you can see. I'll just swatch few shades. Let's do a metallic. Let's do a blue. So this is around $5.99, but during a sale it costed me around 600 rupees. You just look at the color payoff, guys. It's so lovely. It's a bit chalky. You will have to work with it. and you have to literally build on it. But it's a nice, for a starter, for a beginner, this is a nice palette. So I will definitely try few looks with this palette and let you guys know. But I really like this purchase because of the price it came at, because this was just for 300 bucks. The original MRP is 599. So the next purchases which I made was from ELF. So this was my second order. So on the 27th, I saw that they had an offer going on ELF Cosmetics. They had 20% off on all purchases. So I bought myself a buffing foundation buffing foundation brush. So this is around, the MRP is around 800 bucks, but I got it for 640 on offer. It's a really nice brush, guys, for putting your foundation on. It's really packed, as you can see. So it's a very nice brush. I'm really excited to put on my foundations and buff my foundations with this. It's going to work lovely. So, and the other two products which I got were the glitter eyeshadows. So these originally cost 700 rupees each. However, on an offer I got them at 540 each. So I got the shade Flirty Birdie, which is a beautiful rose gold shade. I'll just swatch it for you. Doesn't want to come out, but let's try. Yep, got it out. So this is the wand, and I'll swatch it over here. Can you see it, guys? It's so beautiful and pretty. This color on your eyes would be so lovely. See the color, so nice, and the reflex are so nice, guys. It's got rose gold reflex, guys. You see, very nice. I really like this one, Flirty Birdie one. And the other one that I have got is Black Magic. As you can see. So this was my Nykaa Republic Day sale haul. I also got few stuff from Amazon and Cuffs and Lashes. So let's start with the Cuffs and Lashes one. So Cuffs and Lashes also was having a offer going on for Republic Day. So I got two blending sponges because I am always in need of blending sponges all the time, because because I am always in the need of blending sponges. Hence I purchased these blending sponges from 20 something. So originally these each are priced at 120. I got two of them, and they costed me each 80 rupees on an offer. So for both of them it was like 160 rupees. Then I got few brushes from Cuffs and Lashes because I've heard a lot about their brushes. Hence I got few brushes from them, and it came in this cute this paper pouch, which was very well protected. So these are my brushes that I got. I got this face brush. So this is very useful for your blush, your contour. This is very nice. It was very beautifully packed. And I got a concealer brush. And 3 eye brushes I've got. These 3 eye brushes. This big one can also be used for your concealer because it's pretty thick here, if you can see. So this was my haul from Cuffs and Lashes. Let's move on to my Amazon haul, because Amazon was also giving a huge offer during Republic Day. So I stocked up on my shampoos from Amazon. So I got my usual shampoo, which was this one. This is the L'Oreal Extenso shampoo. Originally it is priced at 580, but I got it on 520. There was some offer going on, so it costed me around 520. I got 2 of these Jovis Argan Oil hair spa mask, and this costed me around 600. Originally they are priced at 460 rupees, so this was a good offer and I grabbed it. I have been using this one for quite some time now, guys, and this is a very good product. I do recommend this product. It does help with the frizziness of your hair. So yeah. Another thing I got is the conditioner from the conditioner to go with my shampoo. This is originally 695. I got it around 580. Yeah, 580. So yeah. So that was it for my haul, guys. Let me know what you enjoyed, and what was your favorite product from this haul, and do let me know if you also shop from during this Republic Day sale. So do let me know if you also shop from this Republic Day sale. I would love to know what all products you also you got. So please keep on watching my channel and keep on supporting me. Until next time, bye, tata.